Hello, in this screencast I'm gonna show you the Trufflepiggy Omnibox feature. With the Trufflepiggy Omnibox feature, you can use all your search truffles and search groups directly in your Omnibox. So imagine you're looking for some pictures of Vienna. You just focus on the Omnibox, type T and space to activate it, then GI for Google Images and Vienna, and you have instantly found all pictures of Vienna on Google Images. It's super easy and super quick. And the next steps, I'm gonna show you how you can use it yourself. Before you can make use of the Trufflepiggy Omnibox feature, we have to focus on the Omnibox, which is also known as address bar. You can do so by just clicking into the Omnibox, or you can press Command L on Mac or Control L on Linux and Windows systems. Now that we have our focus on the Omnibox, we can activate Trufflepiggy Omnibox. To do so, just press T for Trufflepiggy and space. Let's try it. T and space. And you can already see something change in the Omnibox and indicates the Trufflepiggy Omnibox feature is now active. And now we can type any search truffle or any search group we have in our search set here into the Omnibox. So let's do it. Let's type Amazon DE. And you can see we have would now open Amazon DE. But you can also use any abbreviation instead of the full name. So you could also type ACDE. Easy as that. And as soon as you start typing, you see a list of suggestions here. The first one is always the default one, and you can use your arrow keys to choose between them. So, now that we've chosen our website, our search truffle, we press space and now enter our search term, like PS4. And now you just have to press enter to search. And as you can see, we have all our search results on Amazon DE. So let's try another example. Let's press T and space to activate the Omnibox feature. Now let's type Y for YouTube and Trufflepiggy, for example, and enter. And we have found all the Trufflepiggy videos on YouTube. Easy as that. But that's not all. You can even use multiple search truffles and search groups at once. Let me show you how you can do it. First, let's focus on the Omnibox. Then we press T and space to activate it. Now I would like to add Amazon DE. And to add another search truffle or search group, you type comma without the following space, just comma, and then add another search truffle or search group. In this case, I would like to have eBay, but we could also type eBay. Then we press space and add the search term, Nintendo Switch, and press enter. That's it. You can see, with one click, we've opened 2 pages. Super easy. Yeah. That's the Trufflepiggy Omnibox feature. I really hope you like it. Enjoy and have a nice day. Bye!